Good day, panelists. We are the teacher researcher from Carmona National High School. I am Adrian Diwa together with my co-researcher Margie A. Tingcang, Rasheed A. Mazo from Carmona National High School. And we are about to discuss to you the results and findings of our action research entitled Utilization of Contextualized Learning Activity Sheets designed for Tinkercad Ide in teaching Arduino-based robotics. As we move forward with the new normal setup, learning robots and acquiring the necessary abilities becomes more difficult for both students and teachers. Students find it difficult to acquire and improve their skills in robotics as a result of lack of learning tools. This action research aims to develop a contextualized learning activity sheets with the utilization of Tinkercad IDE. According to Carlota, 2021, Tinkercad is a free 3D modeling program that can be used by anyone, regardless of their technical skill level. According to Aburi, Pravina, and Priyakant, 2021, using Tinkercad IDE, educators can keep track of what students plan and reproduce in a virtual classroom. And also, according to Chelegaridis, year 2021, users can customize the code blocks for each shape in this portion of the system in order to obtain exactly what they require. Gaps. Teaching robotics in science class students. Teaching strategies and learning materials, then academic performance. This action research utilized explanatory sequential mixed method research design. Purposive sampling was employed wherein the participants will be the 23 grade 9 students taking robotics class under online learning modality who are enrolled in the special science class of Carmona National High School. Pretest and posttest scores of the students, qualitative data from the semi-structured interviews, and quantitative data, mean and standard deviation, t-test paired sample, qualitative data, and thematic analysis.
For the findings shown in the graph is the mean and standard deviation of the grade 9 students. So the figure 2 shows that the use of contextualized learning activity sheets using Tinkercad IDE has improved the academic performance of the students, and the positive mean gain score shown an increase compared to the pretest got by the students, and it is a manifestation of improvement. So for the pretest, the mean is 8.7, the standard deviation is 2.65. For the post-test, the mean is 14.96 and a standard deviation of 0.209. Another graph is the mean gain score. So it shows that the use of contextualized learning activity sheets using Tinkercad IDE has improved the academic performance of the students. The positive mean gain of scores shown an increase got by the students, and it is a manifestation again of improvement. For the post-test and pre-test, t-test was used to analyze the data. So it shows that the result from the pre-test with a mean of 8.70 and a standard deviation of 2.65, while the post-test mean is 14.96 and a standard deviation of 0.209, indicates that the utilization of contextualized learning activity sheets using Tinkercad IDE have been improved the academic performance of the students with a value of 11.19 and the p-value which is less than 0.05. It will be also note that the correlation between the pre-test and post-test scores was estimated, and suggesting that the t-test per sample for means is appropriate in this case. Thus, the post-test mean scores was statistically significantly higher than the pre-test mean score. Now, for the lived experiences of the students while using the Tinkercad IDE in a contextualized learning activity sheets. So here are the four generated themes. First, system quality. Next, usefulness, self-efficacy, and ease of use. System quality, using the Tinkercad, I learned how to create circuit design that can be used for my projects, that one of the respondents of the study. Another is the usefulness. Then self-efficacy, they enjoyed exploring it because the simulation of it is very realistic. And it is free and user-friendly, and had a great time using this for our activities. That was the response of one of the respondents.
So for the implications, creation of localized and contextualized activity sheets with integration of Tinkercad. So it is used as an attractive strategy in teaching Arduino-based robotics for online education. In such, it can increase the academic performance of the students while having fun learning experience, and they can be creative. So for the conclusion, utilization of learning activity sheets with integration of Tinkercad to improve skills, designing, building, and programming through virtual simulations. It is to improve the critical thinking skills and can motivate students to learn more about robotics. So the contextualizing the content of learning activity sheets with the integration of technology can help the students improve their performance because the activity sheets provided to them has an integration of technology that can help them to do tasks virtually and not just merely reading the content and answering it. For recommendation, we recommend to develop a textbook for robotics with integration of LAS or Learning Activity Sheet and Tinkercad. So this will help both students and teachers to adapt with any modalities in the near future regarding in teaching and learning robotics. For the references, here are as follows. So with all that, thank you very much.